In today's video, we are going to talk about the significant escalation in trade tensions between Canada and the United States. Just recently, Canada announced new trade duties on $21 billion worth of U.S. goods in retaliation for President Donald Trump's implementation of universal steel and aluminum tariffs. This move marks a critical moment in what many are calling a potential trade war. Oh, what exactly is happening? On March 13, 2025, Canadian Finance Minister Dominic LeBlanc announced that Canada would impose 25% tariffs on a wide range of American imports. These include not only steel and aluminum, but also other products like computers and sports equipment. This announcement comes after the Trump administration's earlier decision to place 25% tariffs on all imports of steel and aluminum from various countries, including its closest trading partners. Ow, why is this relevant? The implications of these tariffs could ripple through both economies. Noted by Rob Wile from NBC News, experts have warned that Trump's duties could lead to increased costs for consumers in both countries. LeBlanc emphasized that Canada's retaliatory measures were necessary as they would not stand idly by, while their industries faced unfair competition due to U.S. policies. Various sources think about this. According to Kevin Breuninger from CNBC, this isn't just an economic issue, it's deeply intertwined with national pride and identity for Canadians. Eleni Jolie, Canada's Foreign Affairs Minister, remarked during the press conference, "This is much more than about our economy. It's about the future of our country." Meanwhile, analysts at Barclays highlighted concerns over how these tariffs could weaken profitability for U.S.-based automakers like Ford and GM. The impact of these tariffs could be extensive. The stock market has already shown signs of volatility due to fears surrounding increased costs and potential job losses across sectors that rely on imported materials. Stocks in major automotive companies dropped sharply as investors reacted negatively to the news. Back at history provides some context here as well. Tariff wars aren't new. Similar strategies have been utilized before during previous administrations with varying outcomes, most notably during the Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act era in 1930. Which significantly worsened the Great Depression by prompting retaliatory actions from trading partners worldwide. From a broader perspective, this growing tension reflects a shift towards protectionist policies aimed at reshaping global trade norms, favoring domestic production over international cooperation. Opponents argue that such measures will restore jobs lost due to outsourcing. Critics warn that it may result in higher prices for consumers and stifled growth opportunities. In conclusion, easy to see this current situation as simply another episode in U.S. Canada relations, or merely a response to Trump's administration trade policies. Deeper currents within global economics, ones involving nationalism versus globalization debates, and long-term strategic interests above short-term gains for both nations involved. Vigilant observers, as this situation develops further, since its ramifications can extend far beyond North American borders, impacting global markets alike.